Hey guys, it's Queen here. I've just been evicted from the BBNaija season 6 house. It's an amazing journey. Thank you so much, everyone. Here with me are some of the questions you guys have been asking, and I'm here to answer them for you. All right, let's go. So Ray says, why is she flirting with Cross? I was just having fun, basically, guys. Chill. No hard feelings, I beg. So Dibeb says, where do you buy most of your clothes from? My best friend, Sassy World. So she will hook you up, guys. Ebena responds, please ask her if she will ever be cool with Boma. Yes, my darling, I have love in my heart, so definitely, I'll definitely like be cool with him someday. But I don't know. Angel Pretty says, why do you pretend that my brother White Money is an acting boyfriend? Why you love him so much? Baby girl. Acting boyfriend and boyfriend, what's the difference? I beg go. Yes, I do like love. Thank you. Abdullahi IBN Salute. Do you really have feelings for White Money, or you just want to use him, shine and get endorsement deals as you rightly said? Sweetheart, I did not say I want to use him for endorsement deal. Please, oh, I didn't say anything like that. Please don't say that, I beg. I didn't say that. I do like him. Are you okay? Jadel says, Queen, you were angry with Jackie for getting close with White Money, but you were also getting close to Cross. Sweetheart, every single thing I did in the house, White Money knows. Like, I literally tell him everything because I'm that open. And then I found it funny because he was... But then, I was just having fun. Okay? So please. Vivian Chidima says, Queen of Monarch. Aww, girl with a good vibe. Sweet soul and contagious laughter. More wins, boo. Thank you so much, my darling. I wish myself the very best as well. And thank you so much, guys, for supporting me. I'm just getting to find out that Queen of Monarch. Trust me, I will not disappoint you guys. Thank you so much. I love you guys with the love of God. Mwah.